So I'm starting the lab, so please pay attention. So first one, we need to merge the lab report together because in your project you have been divided into 10 groups, and each group is performing different items. For your final project, you need to combine the 10 together. So let's see how to do this. Okay. So if you open this file over here, and you will see this option. The first one we call the new estimates. So every time you do it, we're using the new estimates. But today we are not duplicate estimates. We are not estimate catalog. We're not measure estimates. We are using the measure estimates. Have you seen this option here? So if you click the measure estimates, and then it's asking you to, it will have a detailed steps over here. The first page is called introduction. So you can create a new estimates. For example, so this is my combined, so combined lab report, combined lab estimates, right? So and in the meantime, you will pick up the RS means assembly as well. That is same as you create a new one. And then you click OK. And then you move into the next step one. So step one is asking you what kind of estimates you want to measure together, right? So you can browse. If you browse, you will see here is a bunch of estimates performed by our classmates. So what you will go do is in the exam, you will pick up your exam one, right? Sorry, in the lab you will pick a lab one. For your project, you will pick your project one. So basically, we need to ask our classmates to check whether they renamed incorrectly. So we can see here has a final project group 7, but I did not see any other like final project, right? So so that means you need to go back to find your file and then change the name. So in this case, the final project is not ready. So what we're going to do is using the lab. So you can find your lab. So basically you put your lab and you rename with your last name or first name, right? So I cannot find my lab 1. So I randomly pick this lab 1 and I add to this side, right? And I found my lab 2, I added it. Oh, that means this lab 1 is wrong. Someone did not pick that one. Okay, that is correct. So if you get a whammy, say the crew is different, it means you use a different the assembly. Okay, does that make sense? Yeah. So if you always using the assembly, and then you will be all good with it. So I'm going to pick my lab 2 again. And I'm going to pick my lab 3. I'm going to pick my lab 4. Don't have lab 4 here, I'm going to pick 1.
What if our stuff isn't in here?
Say that again?
Like, what if our stuff isn't in here? Do we have to re-download it into certain things?
No, this Sage is saved in the database. So no matter you stop it or never, you will have it. If you create one, you always will see it. Okay, so lab 5, I pick up another one. Lab 6, I pick another one. Lab 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Lab 9. Okay, I got all my labs, right? So I got all my labs, and then I click OK, and you will review this again, and you go to the step 2. And do you want to combine the match item? You can say yes, right? Or that actually does not really matter. So you can say no. Few options, and you click here, merging. And once you click the merging, it will take a time or maybe crash. I don't know, because this. Okay, see, the successful estimate was successfully merged into combined lab estimates. Okay, and now you can open it. You can find to open the combined estimates. So let's see. You click here. Then this time you do is the manager estimates. So if you manage estimates, you will see all the estimates we have here created by our classmates, right? So everything is here. So you can go into here to find this one, see combine. So combine who is creating another one. So this one is I created. Okay, and I click OK. And then I have it here. Alright. So now if I go to the report, standard report, right? I have my report already loaded here. I see preview. And you will see everything we performed is showing here. So in this case, you will do something. So going back to the so let's close this one. Going back to this manager estimates, and we find the combine again. So this one I'm going to do. So you see here, the project name here is Lab 1 because Lab 1 is the first one you loaded, right? So you can edit here, click edit here, and change this one to the combine. And then you can do something here. For example, if asking you what is your project type, and what is your document title, what is your estimator. So you can put your name here. You are the estimate, right? And what is your job size? So the job size basically is how many square feet. You can find the square feet SQ here, and you can type whatever you have for that building. We have the drawing. The drawing already told you the square feet of the building. Okay, I'm just random pick up one. And the duration, if you want, you can put days and something, right? And then you save. And now I saved it, right? And I close it and open it again. I open this combine again. If I open this combine again, I go into the report, standard report, and I do preview. You will see my name is showing here, right? So my name is showing here. And the job size is showing here, duration is showing here, right? So the project name is showing here. So that is how we combine them together, okay? I'm going to stop this recording and starting a new recording.